Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through how to configure task forms in Lexzur using the Task Creation Form Builder, a powerful tool that allows you to design and manage custom forms tailored to your team's specific task requirements. To get started, navigate to System Settings. Go to the Task section. Then click to open the task form configuration. Create a new task form. Click Add Configuration to begin setting up a new form. Each task form must be linked to a specific task type, so select the type accordingly. Some fields are required for all tasks and cannot be removed. These are the task title, assignee, due date, and requested by. On the right-hand panel, you'll see all available task fields, including any custom fields you've created. To add fields to your form, use drag and drop, or click the plus icon beside each field. You can then reorder and move fields as needed. Any additional fields added are optional when creating a task. These can be removed by clicking the minus icon. You can further customize how each field behaves by setting a default value for each field, predefined values that will automatically appear on the task creation page. Click the three-line action menu next to Form Fields to access additional customization options such as descriptions or hints. Add a hint to help users on what to enter. Required or optional, decide whether users must fill out a field. Field visibility, choose whether a field is visible or hidden. But if you decide to hide a field from the task creation page, you must specify a default value for that field. You can access these options also from the three-line action menu next to each field name, to set up each field separately. Save the configuration once complete. Using the task form in practice. Now, when a user creates a new task, and the selected task type has a predefined form, only the configured fields will be shown, and default values will be automatically applied. If the selected task type does not have a custom form, the system will apply the default form, which is used as a fallback for all undefined task types. You can always return to the form configuration page to create or update forms.